India Today crew is the first news team to reach the Adu Valley. Adu is considered to be the most beautiful place of Pahalgam. Pahalgam overall is very beautiful, considered to be a gem or the best as far as what Kashmir has to offer for tourism. But in Pahalgam, they say Adu Valley is the most beautiful. Now, why? I'll show you why. Just look at the beauty behind me. It seems it's a canvas of the nature where you'll find all hues, all colors, and right now, while there is an area in shade, there is sunshine on these mountain tops which are glittering. So this is the beauty of the area. And another important thing about the Adu Valley is that even in the worst of situations in the Kashmir Valley, be it 2008, 10, 16, when the complete summer month was lost in violence, agitation, this place remained untouched. That's why tourists always considered this as safe, and they always came to the Adu Valley. But this time around, the kind of incident that has happened, it has even impacted this place. Although we could see one or two tourist vehicles arriving, bookings coming, but overall, like Pahalgam, this valley is also empty. Now these people on my left side, they say that just 3-4 days back, they did not have even time to relax for a minute because there were so many tourists here. This place was bustling with tourist activity. There were vehicles, ghodewalas, there were shops open, dhabas open, and everything was just fantastic. And then within 2 hours, everything just went dark for them. Tourists left in a jiffy, and importantly, this place is also preferred by foreign tourists who come in huge numbers every year, and this year they also had to leave, although the main season of foreign tourist arrival is June, so they were preparing for that also. But right now it's absolutely deserted, and though they're still hopeful because a few tourists are still keeping their faith in the security system. They're coming here, and for them it is the local Kashmiri who is their biggest security. So that feeling, they're hopeful that it will return, these dark clouds will go away, and the sun will shine again as far as the situation here is concerned, as far as the tourists returning to the valley is concerned. But like Pahalgam, like other parts, this place as of now is deserted, and everything is just, there is an eerie silence around. With campus Muzaffar Ahmed, Meet Fareed, Adu Valley, for India Today.